What's up, bitches? Oh, let me fix my hair. So, I'm chilling. I'm waiting for my glasses on because a bitch cannot see. Hey, y'all. Shit. I'm chilling in the motherfucking bathroom trying to make some good ass videos. Shit. I was about to truck for y'all, but I ain't got no motherfucking music. Oh, some of my toothbrushes. Oh, drawer, my bad motherfucker. Shit. I'm just being a bad bitch right now. I'm trying to get my followers up on Instagram and Twitter. Shit. Well, follow a bad bitch or something. I'm just so bored. But don't be acting like I'm not you bitches. I kill any bitch at any motherfucking time of the day. When I sleep, I'm a bad bitch. When I wake up, I'm a motherfucking bad bitch. That shit, when I'm just chilling, as you can see, I'm a motherfucking bad bitch. Shit. A1 all day, every motherfucking day. Y'all bitches just don't know what a real A1 bitch is. But y'all gonna learn today. Y'all gonna learn today. Shit. Deuces. Holla at your girl.